Legal disclaimer. Do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Well, hello there, Flat Earth Society trading members. This is Rob, and we are on to trade number 4. So let's go over why we do what we do. We believe that the exit is the important thing of a trade, not the entry. So we're going to take random entries and we're going to pick random stocks. And we've done D&D dice, we've done Scrabble tiles. We are now going to be looking at a new trade here with a new method, and we don't care what it is because we're going to apply strict position sizing rules and strict position management rules and follow the system and show, or at least try to show, that you can make a profit all on the exit itself. So what is the trade today? The trade today is astronomy. Now, I have to admit, I wanted today's trade to be astrology. There's a big community of astrology in trading and how you can use the star charts to pick the right trades. I thought that I could sit down this morning and learn enough about astrology trading in a couple minutes to be able to make a trade, just a random trade. I couldn't. So I'm going to go back to what I do know. I do know the planets of our solar system. So we are going to be using the planets of our solar system to make a trade today. What I'm going to be doing here is I'm just going to be putting in planets. So I'm going to start off with Mercury, and I'm going to see if there's any stock that has Mercury in its name that has enough volume and has enough price above $10. So let's just start with Mercury. Okay, so we do have a few here. We have Mercury Industries. Sorry, that is not US. I'm going to go set one that we only get USA size. There we go. Okay, so Mercury Systems. Let's see if Mercury Systems fits what we can do. All right, let's see. It is a $36 stock, but let's see what the volume is on it. Volume, 292,000. This is close. I mean, this day it had 6 million in volume, 1.5 million in volume. Yeah, you know what? If we can't find anything, we'll come back to this. This is right on the edge. I'm looking at average daily volume, probably right around 300,000. Let's see if we can find something better. We'll come back to it if we can. All right, so Mercury General Corporation. Here is one that trades about 150,000 shares. Yeah, this is just not. I mean, the biggest volume day was 600,000 shares back here on Friday. So, no, that one's not going to work. So, let's see if there's any other Mercury. This is OTC. This is over the counter. So, and Mercer, nope. We're going to go on to the next planet. Venus. All right, Venus Concept. Let's see if this will work for us. And right away I see it is a $1 stock that does a whopping 15,000 of volume. Wow. No thanks. No thank you. All right, I'm going to go ahead and skip Earth. We'll go to Mars. Is there anything with Mars? Ooh, Mars Acquisition Corp. All right, and you're going to see this is a SPAC. This is a company they set up, put a bunch of money in, and its job is to go buy things. They're not liquid at all. You can see that today there's been a whopping 160 shares traded. So we're going to skip that one. I can't remember if there's anything else there. Nope, again, these are all over-the-counter stocks. Okay, so next up will be Jupiter. Oops, sorry, I went too fast. Jupiter Wellness. Let's check out Jupiter Wellness. Jupiter Wellness is a 97-cent stock, so it automatically is disqualified. But boy, it's got a ton of momentum at the moment. It's funny how you stumble along things. But look, I'm not going to chase this one. This is, again, penny stock. That's not what we do here. Let's see if there's anything else in Jupiter We got Jupiter Acquisition Corp. This is going to be another SPAC. Jupiter Mines is over the counter. That's a penny stock. Let's go next onto Saturn. All right, Saturn Oil and Gas, but again, OTC. OTC is the bulletin board penny stocks. So nothing here on Saturn. Uranus, nothing on Uranus. And look, poor Pluto. Let's still count Pluto as part of the solar system. There's no Pluto. So look, let's either go back to Earth, or let's go check back on that first one we talked about. Earthstone Energy. Okay. Earthstone Energy. Okay. Now this is looking good. So we've got a stock that is at a $16 and it trades well over 1 million shares of volume. Yesterday's volume was 1.6 million, 2.4. All right. Looks like we found our one, Earthstone Energy. And you can see the 13 EMA is clearly sloping up. So we are going to be putting in a long. So the direction is going to be long. The price is going to be $16.17. That's current market price, $16.17. Let's go fill out our sheet. Here is our ticket sheet. So August 10th, ESTE long, entry price $16.15. Now next we need to find our size. We can't do that until we determine where our stop is. So let's go check in on where the ATR is. Here we are back on the stock. The ATR is currently 56 cents. So 56 cents for our ATR. With the 56 cent ATR, 2x ATR, that's a stop of 112. Trading stop. That's an initial trailing stop at $1.12. Now the next thing we need to do, we need to figure out the size. Let's go to our position sizing calculator. Here we are back to chartyourtrade.com, position sizing calculator. Let's go get our account value because, again, that's always going to be changing. Let's go grab it, and then we can check it out. All right, let's go check in on our account balance. All right, so here it is. We've got an account balance of $102,739. Let's go put that in our position sizing calculator. 102,739. We're going to be risking 1%. Our entry price was $16.15, and our trailing stop was $1.12. So $1.12 below that would be $15.03. So $15.03. Let's hit compute. It's telling us we want to buy 917 shares. That is going to be the trade on ESTE. Let's put in this order. Buy order. Here we are. Let's go put in this order. A buy order for ESTE, 917 shares. And we're just going to do this at the market because we don't care. As you can see, the stock has actually slipped a little bit down to 904. So we're getting a little bit better price here. Or sorry, 1604. 1604. So let's go ahead and hit submit. And we were filled at 1604. Let's put in the stop right now. A sell stop. We're going to go with a trailing stop. Our quantity, 917 shares. And our trailing stop was $1.12. So let's go to $1.12. Let's make sure it's good till canceled. And that is it. So that is the trade. August 10th, ESTE long at 917 shares. Entry price is $16.04. ATR was 56, so we have a trailing stop at $1.12 below the price. What do we do next? Well, guess what? We already know. We've got our rules. We did the first part. If we do get to ATR profit, meaning if we have $1.12 in profit, we're going to adjust our stop to 1.5, the initial ATR. If we get to 4 ATR profit, we're going to adjust to 1 ATR trailing stop. And that's it. We are a spectator. We can watch the screen if we want. We can watch the price. We can do whatever we want, but we can't deviate from our system. Thank you for joining me. That is trade number 4 in the books.